Hello, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome back to Intermediate Writing Subject with me, Miss Lilis. Previously, you have heard about paragraph, the definitions, the types, and the structure of a paragraph. Have you understand the material well? Now, we are going to learn an essay. What is an essay? Maybe it is not something new for you, but I will remind you about this material at this moment. There are several parts that are going to discuss. The first is definitions of an essay. It describes the topic about an essay. Secondly, the structure or format an essay. Thirdly, describe the topic about thesis statement. And the last is closing. The first sections will discuss about definitions of an essay. As you know, sometimes you find out the specific writing about something. Have you ever written an essay? If you have, I think you have been familiar with the topic about essay. Essay is a group of paragraphs written about a single topic and a central main idea. It must have at least 3 main paragraphs, but 5 paragraph is common length for academic writing. Dalam sebuah esai harus ada sebuah topik yang dibahas. Dalam topik tersebut biasanya memiliki sebuah ide pokok. Dan sebuah esai setidaknya terdiri dari 3 paragraf utama. Nah, lebih dari itu, dalam academic writing, 5 paragraf sudah dianggap ideal. There are 3 main parts of an essay. Initially, introduction as the first part of an essay. Secondly, body is the second part of an essay. And the last, conclusions as the closing paragraph. Dalam sebuah esai harus ada sebuah paragraf introductions atau pembukaan. 1-3 body paragraph atau isi dan pembahasan, dan 1 paragraf conclusions atau kesimpulan. I will discuss the first part of the essay. It is introductions. It explains the topic with general ideas. It also has a thesis statement. This is a sentence that gives main idea. It usually comes at or near the end of the paragraph. Dalam sebuah introductions, penting kiranya memasukkan topik yang umum untuk dibahas terlebih dahulu. Kemudian, mengerucut ke dalam sebuah thesis statement, yaitu kalimat yang akan menjadi topik pembahasan dalam esai tersebut. Biasanya, thesis statement berada di akhir paragraf pertama. Secondly, the body paragraph. These are the paragraphs that explain and support the thesis statement and come between the introductions and the conclusions. There must be 1 or more paragraph in the body of an essay. Dalam isi atau pembahasan esai biasanya terdiri dari 1 paragraf atau lebih. Idealnya dalam academic writing, body paragraph terdiri dari 3 paragraf. Tentunya isi pembahasan harus merupakan pengembangan atau supporting ideas dari thesis statement di paragraf terdahulu. The last paragraph is conclusions. It summarizes or restates of the thesis and the supporting ideas of the essay. Di paragraf terakhir dalam sebuah esai, adanya rangkuman dari thesis statement atau kesimpulan dari apa yang disampaikan dalam paragraf sebelumnya. We come to the section 2. It describes about the format of an essay. How to format an essay. Use double spacing. Leave a blank line between each line of writing. Leave 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch of space on the sides and the top and bottom of the page. This space is called margin. If you type your essay, start the first line of each paragraph with 5 space or 1 tab. This is called indenting. If you write by hand, indent about 2 centimeters or 3/4 inch. Alternatively, paragraphs can begin at the left-hand margin with no indentations. However, you must then leave 1 line space between each paragraph. Put the title of your essay at the top of the first page in the center. The third part of our discussions is thesis statement. How to write thesis statement. Thesis statement is the sentence that tells the main idea of the whole essay. It can be compared to a topic sentence, which gives the main idea of the paragraph. It usually comes at or near the end of the introductory paragraph. Thesis statement adalah sebuah kalimat yang mewakili ide pokok dalam keseluruhan esai. Biasanya dalam sebuah paragraf dikenal sebagai topik sentence, letaknya sebelum atau di akhir paragraf pertama. Bagaimanakah cara menulis thesis statement yang baik? Sebuah esai harus memiliki strong thesis statement. A thesis statement that gives the author's opinion or states an important idea about the topic. It should give an idea that can be discussed and explained with supporting ideas. For example, the qualifications for getting into university in my country are reasonable. When studying a foreign language, there are several ways to improve the use of your language. These are strong thesis statements. They can be discussed or explained. For the first example, we can develop the essay by using qualifications reasons for getting into university. The writer can explain some reasons in the body paragraph. For the second example, the writer are able to develop body paragraph by using several ways to improve the use of language. A thesis statement should not be a sentence that only gives a fact about the topic. For example, in the Northern Hemisphere, the summer months are warmer than the winter months. There is only facts in the sentence. There are not any opinions or important idea about the topic. The sentence cannot be developed into a paragraph. A thesis statement should not state two sides of an argument equally. For example, there are advantages and disadvantages of using nuclear power. Dalam kalimat ini, penggunaan kata advantages dan disadvantages disetarakan. Padahal, kedua kalimat ini menunjukkan hal bertentangan atau kontras. Contoh lain dari kalimat yang memiliki makna sama tetapi menunjukkan kontras dan dapat dijadikan thesis statement adalah, besides, nuclear power has advantages for the life of human being, the disadvantages of the nuclear power outweighs of the benefits. That's it. I wait for questions and answer sessions after these explanations. Thank you very much.